Hi guys, my name is Vinod Podzale. Today's date is 6 Jan 2022 and today's topic is the collection in Java. What is the collection? Collection Java collection can be achieve the operations that can be perform the data and such as the searching, sorting and the manipulate the and deletion. These are all the operations are using the in collection. The collection is the Java framework that that can be provided the architecture and to store the manipulate the group of object. It is called as the collection. Collection is the Java collection means a single unit of the object, and Java collection is the framework provide the many interfaces and interfaces. So in the set linked list and DQ and queue, these all the classes and interfaces are used in collection in Java. So in the array list, vector and linked list and priority queue, these hash set and linked set and tree set, these all the framework interfaces are used in the collection. So hierarchy of the collection of the framework. So in the hierarchy collection framework, in using the java.util package content, classes and interfaces are the used to in the collection framework. So in the describe the hierarchy of the collection. It is used to the interfaces divided into the interfaces list, queue and set. The in the interfaces divided into the classes. So list interface divided into 4 classes: linked list, array list, vector and and stack. These 4 classes are used to the interface, list interface, and queue, it is used to the queue, priority queue and DQ. These are the used to the in the queue interface. And set, it is the has set and this is the interface are the used to the set. In the interface, it is the iterable of the interface in the using in the Java. So iterable interface for all the collections and the classes. The collection interfaces execute the iterable of the interfaces, and the therefore all the subclasses collection and interfaces implement to the iterable of the interfaces. So collection interfaces are the used to the in different types of the list interface. First is the and it is the interface collection interface, and data structure in the which is can be stored in the order collection of the object in the using the list interface. So in the list interface using the array list, it is the implement to the list interface, and uses the use to the dynamically store to the duplicate element we can. And in the array list classes maintain to the insertion order and the non synchronized of the element. So in the store in the array list classes can be randomly accessed to the in the array list. Next is the linked list. So in the linked list implement to the collection interface, and the DQ of the stack and initialize of the store the elements. These types of the using the linked list. And vector, it is used to the dynamic and dynamic array to the store the data in the element, similar to the array list. Whenever to the synchronize of the content, the many methods that can be used in the collection framework. And the stack, it is two subclasses of the vector, and the implement to the first in last out data structure. and the stack content to the all the methods and vectors classes also provide the methods in the stack. So next is the queue interfaces. Queue interfaces, it can be defined the order list that can be used to the element which can store the about to be procedure, various classes, and the priority queue, DQ, and the array DQ, which types of the implement into the queue interfaces. And set interfaces, it is used to the Java present in the Java util packages. So it can be extend the collection framework interfaces and the represent to the element which can be don't allow to the duplicate items. We can store only more one null value in the set interface. So this all about the collection of the in Java. So thank you guys.